It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is another DIY video, and it is a DIY punk vest. This tutorial is so easy and you can have so much fun with it because you can just make it however you want. I found this denim vest at Goodwill and I just couldn't pass it up because it had so much potential, and I love the embellishments that are already on this. So I don't want to cover up too much. I don't want to replace the buttons on it because I really like them. They're really shiny and pretty, and I really like the frayed edges on everything. So I'm not going to add a lot to this, but it's just enough to make it my own. You guys, you know, I always say get creative with it, but seriously, I hope you find inspiration to do this because it is so much fun. I'll show you guys what I've got and then we'll get right into the tutorial. First thing I have is a pair of suspenders, and it's this really awesome checkered print, and I got these from Etsy. I will link it below. And it also came with this really cute little bow tie, so I might incorporate that somehow. Then I got this awesome patch, and this is from Etsy as well. I mean, that looks amazing, and it looks just like the Hot Topic logo, the old school Hot Topic logo. I don't know if it looks different now. I think it does, but this is what I grew up with, and this was just kind of my initial inspiration. I just wanted to do a little throwback to when I was a teenager, and I wanted to just make something that's really punk and something that I would have worn in high school, and truthfully now I'm gonna wear it. So then I have this red and green fur, and I'm gonna just use the red fur on this. Yeah, that's basically it. It's not gonna be a lot added to it, but it's gonna be enough to just, you know, be unique and stand out. Okay, so let me show you guys this tutorial. Now you guys know I'm gonna be using fabric glue because I do it so often. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do the suspenders first because I think that's going to be the easiest thing to do. And you will need quite a bit of patience if you're going to glue these on because you're going to have to let it dry. I am going to be using this red fur, and I just thought it added so much to this vest. Now what I'm going to do is take my fur and fold it over on the wrong side and then just glue it on so that way I don't have to cut anything else and it's not as messy. I'm also not going to be adding it on the back of the collar. I think it looks totally fine. Time to add this awesome patch. Now for the bow tie, I'm just going to cut the strap off and then I'm just going to glue it on the opposite side of the patch. Now I'm just going back and touching up the fur because, you know, fur can be a mess. Just make sure everything looks good and just cut off any excess that you don't need. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY punk vest video, and I hope you find inspiration from it. Jack and I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, tell me what you thought about it, and Jack and I will see you in our next video.